In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show hidden columns in Coda so you can restore any data that's currently out of sight and get your table working exactly the way you need it. Coda is that powerful all-in-one doc that blends documents, spreadsheets, and apps, and knowing how to manage your column visibility is a core skill for keeping your tables clean without ever losing your data. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to coda.io. Once you're there, sign into your Coda account using whichever method you prefer, whether that's with your Google account, your Apple ID, or an email address. Don't worry about which one you choose, just get logged in so you can access your documents. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Docs home screen where all of your saved Coda documents are listed. Now, you need to open the specific document that contains the table with those hidden columns. So click on that doc to open it up, and then navigate to the page where the table is actually located. If you have a lot of pages, just look through your page tree on the left side of the screen until you find the one you need. Once you're on the right page, you should see your table displayed in the main area of the document. Now, here's where the process really starts. Hover your cursor over the table until you see the table controls appear. These controls are those small icons and buttons that show up at the top or around the edges of your table when you mouse over it. They're your gateway to all the table settings. Specifically, you're looking for the Options button. It usually looks like 3 dots or a gear icon, depending on your view, and it's typically located near the column headers. Go ahead and click that Options button to open the Table Settings menu. This menu gives you a bunch of ways to customize your table, but for our purposes today, you're going to select Columns from that list. When you click Columns, a panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. This is the Column Settings panel, and it's your command center for everything related to which columns are shown or hidden. Inside that right sidebar, you'll see a complete list of every column in your table. And this is the key part. It shows you all the columns, including the ones that are currently hidden. Hidden columns will typically be grayed out or have their visibility toggle switched off, so they're easy to spot. Now, locate the specific hidden column that you want to bring back into view. Maybe it's a column for last contacted date or notes that you hid to simplify the view earlier. Once you find it, simply enable it. Usually this means clicking the visibility toggle or checking the box next to the column name. The moment you do that, the column will immediately reappear in your table right where it originally was. It's that fast, no loading screens, no saving required. If you have more than one hidden column to restore, just repeat the process for each one. Go down the list, find each hidden column and toggle it on. After you've restored all the columns you need, take a moment to review your table. Make sure all the necessary columns are now visible and arranged the way you want them. You can even click and drag column headers directly in the table to reorder them if you need to. This is a good time to check that everything looks clean and logical for your workflow. One important thing to remember is that showing a hidden column doesn't create new data or delete anything. It simply changes what is displayed. All of your column data, every cell, every value, every formula has remained in the table the entire time, even while the column was hidden. And because Coda automatically saves your changes as you work, you don't need to click a save button. The moment you toggle a column back on, the change is stored. So why does this matter? Restoring hidden columns gives you quick access to previously hidden information whenever you need it, all while keeping your table flexible and easy to customize. You don't have to recreate columns from scratch or dig through old backups. You just flip a switch and the data is right there. Before you go, here are a few expert tips to keep in mind. Only display the columns you actually need at any given moment to keep your table organized and distraction-free. As your workflow changes, feel free to hide and show columns freely. It's a dynamic process. Always remember that hidden columns retain their data, so you never lose anything. You can also combine visible columns with filters and sorting for even better organization. And it's a good habit to regularly review your column layout to reduce clutter. Finally, use descriptive column names so that when you do need to find a hidden column, it's easy to identify in that sidebar list. That wraps up this tutorial on showing hidden columns in Coda. You now know exactly how to restore any missing columns and keep your table tidy and powerful. If you found this useful, consider saving the video so you can come back to these steps anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.